Okay, so question 14, part B. We are looking to solve this equation now. So in part A, in the previous video, we proved that this equation was true for our problem, and now we are looking for the solutions to this to 2 decimal places. It's on a calculator paper. You're being asked to prove it to 2 decimal places. So instincts should tell you that you've got a quadratic equation and your answer is going to be decimal, so you should be looking for the quadratic formula. So again, something that you will have to learn. Okay, they're not giving it to us this year, so you need to learn this formula. Minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Alright? And our a, b and c values come from the equation itself. So the general form is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. That's a general quadratic form. And you've got to think, right, well, how many x squares have we got? Well, we've only got the one. So a must be 1. How many x's? Well, I've got 2x. So b must be 2. And c is the number. It says plus c here, but that's just, general form. So what is the c value? Well, the number on the end is a minus 5. It's very important to include the signs with these numbers, okay? And then you just take these, stick them in the formula, and the calculator does the work for you. So it's knowing the formula, knowing how to use it. You don't actually have to do that much in your head. You let the calculator do this. So you would put in minus, and b is going to be 2, plus, I'm just going to do plus first, once with a plus and then once with a minus, plus the square root of, b is 2 again, so 2 squared, minus 4 lots of a is 1, c is minus 5, so that's my 4ac, all divided by 2 lots of a, now a is just 1, okay? Hopefully that's all in there correctly, and then your calculator will give you the value for that, and the other solution is going to be with the minus sign here instead. So it'll be same formula again, just with a minus there. Oops, sorry, I've got B there, haven't I? We don't need that. Hold on a second. Get the eraser out. We don't want that in there. Get rid of that. So, think. Numbers. We're looking for b squared minus 4ac all divided by 2a. Alright, so make sure you're using your calculator correctly. If you get an error sign, I would worry about this here. So this needs to be a minus sign. Sometimes the calculator has a subtract sign and then a negative number sign. Make sure you're using the negative number sign here and also in the bracket here as well. Okay, so just check that if you're getting errors. The 2 answers, however, that you should be getting are going to be, we end up with solutions that x can equal 1.45 or x can equal minus 3.45, and those have been rounded up to 2 decimal places as the question suggested.